Kumusta sis? Ikaw, Willie? Kumusta sis? Kumusta sis? Ding Channel. Yes, I remember the Puyoyo from Asia, Indonesia. Can you promote to Balios your country to live? Because Balios wants to move to the tropical country, no? Hot country, tropical country. Like Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand, China. Vigilia. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. A moment I go home. But it's very nice to stay here. If I remember to bring foods, I stay here alone. But I don't remember. I came from the church. Then I said, I go walk 1 hour in the, or 30 or 1 hour maximum in the park in the city. I want to leave the UK. I had enough of everything here. The stress of life here is too much, Leah. Yes. I understand, Balios. I understand. Peaceful country, you go to like near the beach. It's peaceful country. Near the beach. Small island. I have a friend. Now, his husband is English. My friend is Filipina, no? So they left UK, Birmingham. No, Nottingham. They are from Nottingham, I think. I don't remember it very well. They left UK. Her husband like to live here, there in the Philippines. There, I am not there. There in the Philippines, Davao. Yes, he is happy to live there in Davao. Oh, their house in England, they sold out the house in England and buy a house in the Philippines because his wife is Filipina. That's why I don't care where I go. Yes, where you go, where you feel peace in mind. I wish you, Balios, you can find a place where you feel peaceful, peace of mind, peace of heart. I wish you, Balios, because as I observe, you need a peaceful place. You need changing places, no? When we feel not good anymore in one place, we have to move to another place. And then the climate in England is not so very good. So very nice to live in a tropical country. Wherever you feel